My dear friends, mis queridos amigos de YouTube, thank you very much. Ya llegamos a 8,000 suscriptores. We got to 8,000 subscribers. And I want to thank each and every one of you. And also, we reached 1.5 million views en mi canal. So también gracias porque ya llegamos a 1.5 million de vistas. So today we're going to be making jalapeño slices. Pickled Jalapeño Slices. Hoy vamos a hacer chiles en escabeche, así que acompáñenme a este video. ¡Vámonos! Well, hello, and today we're going to make some pickled jalapeño slices. Vamos a hacer chiles en jalapeño, chiles en escabeche, chiles en vinagre. So, first we have the ingredients. Vamos a mostrar primeramente los ingredientes so that we can make this pickled jalapeño slices. We got the jalapeños, tenemos jalapeños, 3 zanahorias. We probably just used 2 carrots, bay leaves, hojas de laurel. We have oregano, and we're going to use a pint of oregano. Vamos a usar una pizca de oregano, vinagre, cebolla, salt, vinegar, and oil, aceite. Those are the ingredients. So first we're going to slice the jalapeños. Vamos a primeramente a cortar, a rebanar los jalapeños in slices. So you can also just put them whole like that or however you like them. I like the sliced jalapeños so that we can make nachos with them. A mí me gustan así, cortarlos en rajas para poder hacer nachos con ellos. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to cut all the jalapeños. We're going to get the zanahorias or the carrots. We're going to get those ready too. We're going to put this in a container. Vamos a ponerlas aquí en un contenedor. Estas rajas de jalapeño, ser masai, vamos a ponerlas a un lado. We are just going to use probably 2 carrots because these carrots are too big. You can use as much as you want. Vamos a usar solamente 2 zanahorias porque estas están un poquito grandes. But the first thing you have to do is just to wash those carrots real good. Primero que tienen que hacer es lavarlas muy bien. So we're going to put this also in a container. And we're going to use half an onion. Vamos a usar solamente media cebolla. And this is the way I like to cut it. Así me gusta cortar mi cebolla. I'm going to put that also in a container. También vamos a poner estas en un contenedor, en un plato, a plate. And we're going to add a little bit of oil, not a lot. Just that much. Vamos a hacer poquito aceite, no mucho. And we're going to put our zanahorias in there, our carrots. Vamos a poner nuestras zanahorias. And what we're trying to do is here, get them a little bit warm. Not that much. We want it to keep that being hard and not soft. No queremos que se hagan blanditas. So basically vamos a dejar así nomás un poquito. And after this we're going to add our jalapeños. Vamos a agregar nuestros jalapeños después de esto. No queremos guisarlos. We don't want to cook them real good. Basically what we want is that to be soaked in that oil. Básicamente lo que queremos hacer es que se remojen en el aceite y que se calienten un poquito, just to warm it up a little bit. And then we add our onion and do the same thing. Vamos a hacer lo mismo con nuestra cebolla. Now, from here, we're going to get our oregano, like a little pinch of oregano, una pizca de oregano, and we're going to add it. And here it is. And I like to just get it and break it in your fingers and then just put it in like if it was salt. Agárrelo y quiebrelo como si fuera sal. Se lo agrega. Mix it up real well. Lo mezcla muy bien. And now we're going to put 1 leaf. I can break it in 3 pieces. Una hoja, bay leaf, una hoja de laurel. Quebrada en 3 piezas. And mix it up a little bit. And now we're going to add 2 cups of vinegar. Vamos a agregarle 2 tazas de vinagre y 2 tazas de agua and 2 cups of water. And we're going to stir it a little bit to make sure that all the oregano and everything gets mixed up well. Para que vamos a darle una vueltita para que el orégano y todo se mezcle bien. Then we're going to add our salt. Vamos a ponerle nuestra sal al gusto, to your taste, to your liking, the salt. And we're going to leave it here. We're going to leave it. Vamos a dejarla aquí que a fuego lento. We're going to put our heat low and put it too high. And we're going to leave it here to almost when it reaches a boiling, a boiling point. Vamos a dejarla aquí a que llegue casi al punto de hervir. Ya cuando empiece como que quiere hervir, then we turn it off. Lo apagamos. Vamos a see, look at, this is the color that it's getting to. Ya se está cambiando el color. Miren. So we leave it until almost it boils. Then we take it out. We're going to put it in these 2 plates. Vamos a ponerlo en estos 2 platos. And then we divide the juice between those 2. And we're going to leave it here. Vamos a dejarlos aquí en estos 2 platos como por 1 hora a que se enfríe y que el vinagre haga su trabajo. And it's ready. And here it is. Ya está listo. And this is how you make pickled jalapeño slices. Y así es como se hace el chile en escabeche. Y espero que les haya gustado este video. Suscríbanse a mi canal, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. And again, I hope you like my videos. Espero que les hayan gustado mis videos. We're going to be just thanking everyone again, all my subscribers. We finally reached 8,000 subscribers. Ya llegamos a 8,000 suscriptores. Muchas gracias. Están entrando al canal como a 100 suscriptores por día en un promedio. So they're coming in, our subscribers, at about a rate of 100 a day, which to me that's a lot. And so I want to thank every single one of you. Les quiero agradecer a cada uno de ustedes. Gracias también por darle like a mis videos. Aquí los dejo con esto. Jesse Muñoz, very grateful for you guys. Thank you for watching my videos and sharing them. Muchas gracias. Adiós.